Today we're going to learn how to use Zoom Scheduler to set up a booking page. First, we're going to click on Scheduler in our top hand navigation bar. And once we hit the plus sign up here, you'll see that we have three options. First is create a booking page, where we can set a recurring schedule. Next is one-off meeting, and finally, we have the option to take an availability poll. For our purposes, we're going to create a booking page. As you can see, we have a few options. First is a one-to-one meeting with one attendee and ourselves as the host. If we want to set up a booking page for the team, we have a variety of options to do that as well, but we're going to go with the one-to-one. Since we're going to be the host, let's click Next. Add a name for our booking page. Select the color. And let's adjust our meeting settings. We have an option to enable or disable a waiting room function. We don't need that for this one. And now we'll add a short description. Now that that's done, let's click Next. We want this to be a recurring schedule and have availability throughout each workday, so these hours work. As you can see, we have the option to allow meetings to overlap with our calendar events, and in this case we want to prioritize getting meetings with potential customers, so we're going to check this box. We also want to add a buffer time so that we don't get booked too heavily back to back. So we're going to set 30-minute buffers before and after the meeting. We also want to remind the attendee one day before the event that it's still going to happen. We also want to automate a follow-up email following the event, so we can turn that switch on as well. We'll click Next, and this is just going to be a 30-minute meeting, so that's fine. And as you can see, we've set up some attendee questions to gather basic information about those that will be on call. And that's it. Our schedule's live. Let's check out our booking page. So as you can see, we have a fully functioning booking page with quite a few options to choose from. Let's test it out. Fill this out with my information just to make sure that it's working. And let's book the meeting. Okay, that looks good. Let's make sure it showed up on my calendar. That's a good sign. And there it is. We now have an easy way for clients to schedule meetings with us so that we don't have to worry about doing it manually each time or having to pay for some other software. Hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.